Welcome to Data Joy AI, Chapter 2, Descriptive Statistics in the Age of AI. Your first conversation with data. Descriptive statistics are the very first conversation you have with any dataset. The chapter emphasizes that even though AI can now generate instant profiles and detect patterns automatically, the core purpose hasn't changed. We're trying to understand what our data reveals. These measures help us see the structure of a dataset before we do anything more advanced. Why descriptive statistics matter. Before you build a model or run a prediction, you need to know what your data looks like. Descriptive statistics help you identify distributions, patterns, and unusual characteristics. AI tools make this process faster, but they also produce more information than ever, which means your ability to interpret these summaries becomes even more important. Descriptive statistics in the AI era. The chapter describes a major shift. What used to take hours of manual calculation can now be done in seconds. AI tools automatically detect data quality issues, highlight interesting patterns, and generate visualizations. But this doesn't reduce the importance of understanding the basics, it increases it. You need to know what these measures mean so you can make sense of what AI is showing you. What descriptive statistics do. Descriptive statistics transform raw data into meaningful summaries. They help you understand what's typical, how much variation exists, and what the overall distribution looks like. Whether you're analyzing customer behavior or employee performance, these measures give you the baseline understanding needed for deeper analysis. Role in data mining and AI. In modern data mining, descriptive statistics are essential. Machine learning algorithms rely on understanding distributions, outliers, and patterns. AI systems automatically compute these measures behind the scenes to optimize pre-processing and model selection. The chapter notes that AI can even identify subgroups and segments that would be impossible to detect manually. Descriptive versus inferential statistics. The chapter draws a clear distinction. Descriptive statistics summarize the data you have, while inferential statistics help you make claims about a larger population. AI tools often blend these approaches automatically, which can blur the lines. Understanding the difference helps you interpret AI-generated insights correctly and avoid overgeneralizing. Frequency tables and distributions. Frequency tables show how often values occur, helping you understand the composition of your dataset. AI tools enhance this by automatically detecting optimal groupings and highlighting unusual patterns. For example, they can identify inconsistent categories or detect clusters that suggest meaningful subgroups. Visualizing distributions. Histograms and bar charts turn numerical summaries into intuitive visuals. AI tools now optimize bin widths, sort categories, and highlight important features automatically. These visuals help you quickly spot clusters, gaps, and outliers, patterns that might be invisible in raw data. Measures of central tendency. The chapter explains the mean, median, and mode using employee sales and customer satisfaction examples. AI systems can detect when the mean is misleading due to outliers and recommend using the median instead. They can also identify multimodal distributions, which signal distinct subgroups that need separate analysis. Weighted averages. Weighted averages matter when some observations are more important than others. AI tools can suggest weighting schemes based on context, like weighting customer satisfaction by spending level or weighting employee performance by experience. This helps ensure your summaries reflect what matters most to the business. Measures of dispersion. Dispersion tells you how spread out your data is. Two datasets can have the same mean but very different variability, leading to different conclusions. AI tools automatically flag unusually high or low variability, helping you identify inconsistent performance, diverse customer behavior, or potential data quality issues. Interquartile range and robust measures. The IQR focuses on the middle 50% of your data and is resistant to extreme values. AI tools use IQR-based rules to detect outliers and help you decide whether they represent errors or meaningful patterns. This supports cleaner, more reliable analysis. Visualizing variability. Box plots, density plots, and violin plots reveal distribution shape and variability. AI tools choose the most informative visualization automatically and highlight subtle patterns you might miss. These visuals make it easy to compare groups and detect unusual concentrations or gaps. Understanding distribution shape. Skewness and kurtosis describe how symmetric a distribution is and how heavy its tails are. These characteristics affect which statistical methods are appropriate. AI tools detect deviations from normality instantly, helping you choose the right analytical approach. Key takeaways. This chapter reinforces that descriptive statistics remain the foundation of all analytics. AI automates the calculations but increases the need for interpretation. Measures of center, dispersion, and shape reveal essential insights that guide every step of the analytical process. Understanding these concepts ensures responsible, accurate, and meaningful data analysis.